Okay, so this is going to be how to make crab cakes. First, lightly toast up 2 pieces of white bread. Bowl, you're going to put in a splash of milk. You get the bread just slightly wet, but not really damp. Okay? See that? A little bit of milk, a little bit of milk. You've got an egg that is beaten. You put the egg in. Okay. At this point, you can add the crab meat. Of course, jumbo lump is the best. Now, if you are concerned about shells, you can go through it with your fingers if you like ahead of time. Alright, so what you're doing is mixing this all together so that you've got the liquids together. Now you're going to take a tablespoon or so of mayonnaise. Plop that on top. Shake a Worcestershire sauce. A little bit of that. That's all your wet ingredients. Now you're going to go with your dry. You're going to go with a little bit of black pepper across the top. You're going to go with a little bit of parsley flakes. Obviously, if you've got fresh, that's great. A little bit across the top. Now you can start putting in some Old Bay. Now this is the taste. And I'm thinking at least 2 tablespoons. So, that's basically your ingredients. And now, we're putting it all together. And you really should smell this Old Bay. So it should smell good. And yes, you are getting some of these lumps down a little bit finer, which is quite alright. The point is to get the moisture and the herbs through the entire product. Okay, might take a taste. Yep, I can taste the Old Bay. So, and you just want to clear off your cutting board a little bit and just start making patties. So you're putting them in your hand. Should be about a hand's width. Yes, there's going to be some extra liquid. Now, if you overdid the liquid, put them on a paper towel, let them absorb a little bit. Because we're not going to be cooking these up right away. I want them to sit for a little while, which is going to help them with their shape and also drain some of this extra liquid. So, again, just about a handful, a little bit of a squeeze. Make sure your shape is tight so that it stays good during the cooking process. So I'm expecting to get at least 5 crab cakes out of this container, which was a pound. And of course, if you find that towards the end, if the last one is too small, you can just do small pinches off of the other ones so that you've got an approximate identical weight. I feel like this last one's a little bit light, so I'm going to take off a little bit from a couple of them. So there you have it. We've got 5 crab cakes. Now, cooking. You've got 2 options. You can put a little bit of oil in a pan, gently bake them up, fry them up, both sides. About 10 minutes a piece, or you can put them in the oven, turn them after about 10 minutes, like 300. But I would put some Pam on a pan if you want to do that, so you don't want them sticking. You can do them in a toaster oven. Alright, so I've got the shape I like. A little bit flatter on top, but they should hold together nicely once I get the oil going. And that's Maryland crab cakes.